Are you tired of trying every diet out there and still not seeing the results you want? Do you feel like weight loss is just too complicated or time-consuming? In fact, it can be simple. Today, I'm going to share proven, factual strategies and tips that actually work. Start with small, doable changes. Now, you might be wondering what's the easiest first step. The answer is simple. Start small. When it comes to weight loss, many people dive into extreme diets or heavy workout routines, but these rarely last. Why? Because they're overwhelming and unsustainable. Here's a trend that's gaining attention: micro-habits. Micro-habits are small, easy changes that you can stick to long-term. For example, instead of cutting out all carbs, try replacing sugary drinks with water. It's a simple change, but it has a huge impact. Not only do sugary drinks add empty calories, but they also make you feel hungrier throughout the day. Another small change: walking for just 10 extra minutes a day. Research shows that consistent, moderate movement is often more effective for long-term weight loss than sudden bursts of high-intensity exercise. So focus on little actions that build momentum. So why are these small steps so effective? Because they're backed by science. Studies show that gradual changes are more sustainable over time. They don't overwhelm your brain, which means you're more likely to stick with them long-term. Once you've established these small habits, they snowball into bigger results without feeling like a burden. We all know that what you eat plays a big role in weight loss, but here's a tip that often gets overlooked: focus on protein. You've probably heard the buzz about high-protein diets, but do you know why protein is so important? Protein is a key factor because it keeps you full for longer and helps build muscle. The more muscle you have, the more calories your body burns, even when you're resting. Plus, when you eat enough protein, you're less likely to snack between meals. Let's look at an ongoing debate. Is animal protein better than plant-based protein for weight loss? While both types of protein are beneficial, research shows that plant-based proteins like beans, lentils, and tofu are just as effective for weight loss as animal proteins, and they come with added health benefits like fiber, which helps with digestion. So how can you easily incorporate more protein into your meals? Here's the trick: keep it simple. Add Greek yogurt to your breakfast, snack on boiled eggs, or toss beans into your salads. These don't require complicated meal prep or fancy ingredients, and they'll help keep your hunger at bay, which means fewer cravings and more control over your eating. Make movement a part of your day. When it comes to exercise, the trend these days is all about sustainable movement. You don't need a fancy gym or an hour-long workout routine to lose weight. What's gaining popularity are shorter, more frequent bursts of activity that fit easily into your day. Studies are showing that moving in small increments, like taking a quick walk every hour, can be just as effective, if not more so, than one long workout session. Here's something to think about. What if you could boost your weight loss without changing your schedule too much? Walking more, taking the stairs, or doing a quick 10-minute bodyweight circuit at home can all add up. One technique that's trending is the Pomodoro method for productivity, but with a fitness twist. After 25 minutes of work, take a 5-minute movement break. It's a great way to sneak in exercise without dedicating a huge chunk of your day to it. So, how do you fit these movement bursts into your day? It's easier than you think. Set a timer or an alarm on your phone to remind yourself to move for just 5 minutes every hour. Whether it's walking around the block, doing some stretches, or climbing stairs, these little bursts add up to more movement and help you burn calories throughout the day without requiring extra time or effort. Prioritize sleep and stress management. This might surprise you, but two of the biggest obstacles to weight loss aren't related to food or exercise. They're related to sleep and stress. Did you know that poor sleep can actually make you gain weight? When you're tired, your body produces more hunger hormones, making you crave unhealthy foods. Plus, you're more likely to skip workouts when you're exhausted. Here's where the controversy lies. Some people think that getting less sleep gives them more time to work out or stay productive, but research shows the opposite. Lack of sleep is linked to weight gain and lower metabolism. So, prioritizing 7 to 9 hours of sleep can actually help you lose weight more efficiently. As for stress, the hormone cortisol is a big factor. When we're stressed, our bodies produce cortisol, which triggers cravings for comfort foods, usually high in fat and sugar. This is where mindfulness techniques such as meditation or yoga come into play. They've been shown to lower cortisol levels, helping you manage stress and avoid emotional eating. So how do you improve your sleep without overhauling your lifestyle? Start by creating a bedtime routine. Turn off electronics an hour before bed and try calming activities like reading, light stretching, or listening to relaxing music. These small adjustments will improve your sleep quality, which helps you manage hunger and stress better, making weight loss easier. Stay consistent and be patient. Here's the truth. Weight loss isn't about quick fixes, it's about consistency and patience. One of the biggest reasons people give up on their weight loss journey is because they expect results too soon, but sustainable weight loss takes time. Think of it like planting a seed. You wouldn't expect a tree to grow overnight, right? The trend right now is to focus on non-scale victories. These are the small wins that aren't necessarily related to the number on the scale. Maybe your clothes fit better, or you have more energy. Maybe you're sleeping better, or you're just feeling more confident. These victories keep you motivated and focused on the long-term goal rather than getting discouraged by slow progress. One effective way to stay on track is to celebrate these small victories. Did you lose a pound this week? Did you make healthier choices? Every little step is a win. Keeping a journal or tracking your progress in an app can help you stay motivated even when the scale isn't moving. So how do you turn these small victories into long-term success? By focusing on progress, not perfection. Keep a journal of your non-scale victories, like fitting into old clothes or having more energy. Tracking these wins keeps you motivated, even when the scale stalls, and helps you realize that long-term success is built on these small, consistent achievements. Now that you know these simple, proven strategies, you can see that weight loss doesn't have to be complicated. Start with small, doable changes, focus on protein, make movement a part of your day, prioritize sleep, and be consistent. It's really about progress, not perfection. You don't need to overhaul your life or follow a complicated plan to see results. So what are you waiting for? Start today with just one of these tips and watch how it makes a difference in your weight loss journey. Small steps lead to big changes, and you've got this. You can check out my other videos on the screen.